Sanibonani guys. So namhlanje we're focusing on 2025 November question paper, Maths N6, question 5, ama-graphs. So here we are having ama-question la bebawabuza laphaya. Sorry ukuthi angabonakali kahle, but I will try and read them loudanyana bese so that uzo-understand. Then I will write everything uzokhona understand. So question 5.1, they said, okay, 5.1.1, they said calculate the point of intersection of y is equals to x to the power of cubed and x is equals to y to the power to y squared. Yeah, so basically sketch the graph and show all the representative strip that you will use to calculate the area bounded by the two graphs. Then 5.1.2, then let's calculate the area described in the question 5.1.1 above. Then 5.1.3, they said to calculate the y coordinates of the centroid. So I suggest ukuthi before uphendula yonke into ne, you have to read yonke equation and see ukuthi bafuna ini, then see ukuthi understand the question. So in this part question 5.1.1, they said calculate the point of intersection. So the first thing also yenza just ukwenza ubhala ama equation wakho. Then we have y is equals to x cubed and as, okay, let's see what as equation 1 one way to, then our equation 2, it is equals to y squared is equals to x. This is our equation 2. Then we know we have to substitute something somewhere. So first thing okumele uyazi ukuthi not really ukuthi kumele uyazi, just ukuthi wena make use of ukuthi uqala ukuthola ama-values ka-x kuqala when you're dealing with the point of intersection. So in this part we have to substitute equation A1. So sizosubstitute equation 1 into u2 so kanjani, you know which we have y, which means laphayana sizoba no x to the power of 3 all squared is equals to x, like this. So which means you will be having x to the power of 5 because ama exponent, they will multiply each other. It is equals to x. Into okumele ube nayo le parts layer. So masifika la in this part ungathuki noma if noma ungathuki, and don't divide by any loan. Don't divide because any point of intersection is ukuthi likuphi. So we are trying by all means ukuthi senzeni sithole wonke ama-point of intersection. So sizothi x to the power of 5 minus x is equals to 0, which means senzani we transpose la. So since which means factor out, because here we are having an odd number. So factor out, which means we have 1 x to the power of 4 minus 1, it is equals to 0. Then you know and when you are doing an algebra, this is equals to 0, or x to the power of 4 minus 1, it is equals to 0, which x to the power of 4 is equals to 1, and x, okay, let's see what's x to the power of 4 square root, it is equals to plus or minus 1. Remember why city plus or minus is because the square root sinjani even. So here we have to send the range and here. So in this case we will have x, it is equals to plus or minus 1, which our x, it is equals to 1, or our x, it is equals to -1, or the drop layer part layer, or our x, it is equals to 0. So since sesiyibona kanjalo, which means our y wokuqala wethu uzoba ubani, u0, because laphayana mangabe you can put u0 laphaya. Remember ukuthi sifuna i-value ka-y and we are substituting u-x is equals to 0 into equation 1. Then kuzoba ubani laphayana u0 to the power of 3. You know ukuthi kuzoba ubani u0. So which means laphayana uzoba nobani no 0. So in this part here you will have since sino y is equals to x to the power of 3, which will save x to the power of 1 to the power of 3, which means we're having 1 here, which is 1, or y wethu uzoba ubani, or uzoba ubani y wethu ngimbhale laphaya, y is equals to -1, it is equals to 3, which means y wethu uzoba ubani, -1. So manje we are going to draw igraph yethu. So masidraw igraph yethu here. Masidraw igraph yethu. Remember ukuthi our graph esinawo x to the power of 3 and y squared is equals to x. So le part le, remember ukuthi igraph yakhona into ena kanjani, into ena kanje. So lena igraph yakhona, because i-cubic, which means izophuma kanje. So which means we have to combine lama graphs lawaya. So you know ukuthi kumele sibe nento ena kanjani, mhlambe ena kanje, sizoyidraw kanje. So you know ukuthi this izophuma kanje leya, bese siba nale graph le x is equals to y, y squared it is equals to x. This part le yakabani, y squared is equals to x, bese leyana y it is equals to x to the power of 3. Then sinobani, sino x here, sino y here. Our point of intersection here, because our values y coordinate yethu positive and our x coordinate yethu positive, which means sizoba nobani, no 1. Remember sino 1 laphaya, sino -1 kahle kahle. It's -1. Let me check lapha ukuthi it is -1 now, because we're having y is equals to -1 to the power of 3, then y is equals to -1. Yeah, it is -1, which lama values lawaya ilawa alaya laphaya, which means these values are not part of in equation yethu, lama values lawaya, but lawayana sinobana, sino 1 and u1 and u0, because they intersect laphayana, even nalapha they intersect, which means we are having u1 paired with u1 and ubani u0 paired with u0, as le intersection le laphayana nale intersection le laphaya. And also bathi draw a represented strip ezoba represented here. So in this part we are drawing a horizontal strip kanje ezoba perfect for the horizontal strip. Mina I advise people ukuthi bangasebenzisi i-horizontal, but basebenzise a vertical strip. So why? Because i-vertical strip it's more simpler than in horizontal. Remember ukuthi this thing it's in terms of let me see ukuthi bathi. So okay, so abasitshelanga i-respect yakhona. So in this part wena you have ukuthi wenzeni, ubalekele kulama graphs lawa vertical, because everything becomes simple. And everything becomes simple because in this part mangathi uyabheka laphaya, so nayo ilona because ama-answer azofana wona. Okay, let me say ukuthi ama-answer azofana wona, but just ukuthi balekela kuphi ku-vertical strip, because i-vertical strip is more simpler than i-horizontal, because horizontal kuzongena into ey'ningi laphayana, then we have to angazi mhlawumbe abanye banokujikisa nephepha, like yeah, I'm getting shocked nje masibona abantu bajikisa iphepha. But in this part ubobalekela kuma-vertical if abamentionanga ukuthi wenze into enjani, unless the graphs ayakuphoqelela ukuthi wenze ini i-horizontal strip. So in this part sidrawile and but determine but say sketch the graph and show the representative strip that you will use to calculate the area. Then 5.1.2 bese bathi calculate the area described by equation 5.1.1. So in this case it was simple here, because there's no need ukuthi ungachremana nezinto. But first thing okumele uyazi ukuthi we have uy1 and you have uy2 wakho, you have your y2. So in this part we are having x paired with y1 plus y2. over 2. Bese here we have our length, here we have our breadth as ubani ulona. Remember ukuthi sifuna ini mawenza ama-graph, you don't focus to everything la, but we are focusing kuphi ku-strip kuphela. The thing le engiyi-drawing up ile part le ye-strip kuphela. So to develop i-area, remember ukuthi i-area is length times i-breadth, which is i-length yethu ubani kuzoba u-y1 minus u-y2 into change in x. Change in x, it's our bread, it's our bread, which means the correct formula esizoyisebenzisa, the correct formula thina esizoyisebenzisa is the integral of y1 minus y2 dx. This thing changes to ubani u-dx, then we have b and a here. So which means lento sitshela ukuthini, our 5.1.2 kuzoba ubani area, it is equals to the integral of y1 minus y2 dx. Then remember ukuthi ama-limit wethu siwathatha from kuphi ama-x values, because our respect it's in terms of u-x. So laphayana sino 1 as i-coordinates leti lokucala laphaya ubani u-1 and elinye ubani u-0, which means this thing we have u1 and u0. Then remember ukuthi uy1 wethu kuzoba yini, it is the top graph, and uy2 yini, the bottom graph. So remember ukuthi we have y to the power of 3. Y to the power of 3 yini, i-bottom graph laphaya, ile ya bottom graph. Remember ukuthi sifocus kuphi kule part le elapha ku-strip, kule enclosed area or bounded area, ile ya part leya le evalelekile leya evaluating ama-point of intersection, which ilona y to the power of 3. Remember ukuthi sino y is equals to x to the power of 3 and y squared is equals to x. Leya part leya yakabani yaka-y, it is equals to x to the power of 3, which is a cubic graph. Leya enye leya, it is a parabola, but what you call this thing, inverse. It's more like an inverse inakanje. So bese remember ukuthi le part le yiyo le kuphi engaphansi kuzoba ugraph 2 wethu loya, bese loya kuba ubani ugraph 1 wethu, which means our x, remember ukuthi le part le u-y, should we have to do this thing ilona graph ilona in terms of y, then y it is equals to the square root of x. So which means here we have the square root of x minus ubani u-x to the power of 3 dx. So masichubeka laphaya, masichubeka sino 1 sino 0 here, which means masibeka in a simple way we have x to the power of 1 over 2 minus x to the power of 3. I'm doing this thing so that sizokhona ukuba simple ukuthi ngenzeni ngi-integrate. Remember ma-integrator u-x to the power of 1 over 2 kuzoba plus 1 all over 1 over 2 plus u1, which kuzoba ubani u3 over 2 laphaya as x wethu is our base, when which have ubani u3 over 2, which ngizoba nobani no2 over 3 because it will interchange bese ngiba no-x to the power of 3 over 2 kanje. Then which means my integral here kuzoba ubani u2 over u3 x to the power of 3 over 2 minus because of this minus. Remember mangabe sino x to the power of 3 plus 1 all over 3 plus 1 is equals to x to the power of 4 all over 4. Ile nto leyo izobe siyisebenzisa laphaya kuzoba 1 over 4 into x to the power of 4, which take lama limits lawayana siwayenzani siwabeka laphaya. Then after this you do what, you just punch the calculator. So in this part because we are going to faka u1 laphayana and u1 laphayana also u0, which means we'll have ubani u2 over 3 minus 1 over 4. So which this thing kuzoba mawuyenza esayidini kuzoba 12 all over 8 minus 3, which is 5 all over 12, which means our answer laphayana kuzoba ubani 5 all over 12 units squared. So ubani unit squared because because we're calculating area, and area ama-units akhona it's in squared. So siyadlula-ke manje. So ku 5.1.3 I think basifune i-distance. I-distance but sengikhohliwe ukuthi in terms of it's either x or y. So here they asked, but say calculate the y coordinates. So mabathi calculate the y coordinates, which means the moment of, which means mabathi calculate the y coordinates, sizoyifuna i-y coordinates using the area moment in terms of x kahle kahle, which is sizoba ne-area multiply by i-distance in terms of x, which means kuzoba yini i-formula yethu bese bathi of the centroid of the, remember again, so this one it's simple because bayifune of i-centroid. So masichubeka laphayana sizoba nobani, remember bathi bafuna ini, the area in terms of the y coordinates, which sizoba nobani, ne-area moment about the x-axis is equals to the area multiplied by the distance. And so which means, remember ukuthi our area it is equals to y1 minus y2 change in x multiplied by i-distance yethu. I-distance remember ukuthi ngingabhala into ena kanje laphaya, ngathi u-x paired with y1 plus y2 all over u2. So le part le yiyo lezoyisebenzisa ukwenzana ukuthola ini, i-distance. Remember ukuthi le distance le it's about what, about the x-axis, because sifuna ini, the y coordinates. If you are looking for if you are looking for x coordinates, which means you will use the moment of area about the y-axis only if mawenzani, mawufuna i-distance of x coordinate, sorry. So in this part here, since bathi bafuna ilona about the x-axis, so ufuna ilona about the x-axis, which means wena with your finger uzenzani, you will close ubani, i-x coordinates lakho, uzoclose ubani, i-x coordinate, then you are left with ubani, y plus y2 all over u2, which means you will put it there, kuzoba y plus y2 all over u2. Then so guys, lento le sisabhilda i-formula, asikaka simplify, i-formula correct for ukuthi singayisebenzisa. So in this part we have y1 minus y2 all into y1 plus y2 multiplied by 1 over 2. Remember with these things zonke zini ama products, so I can do anything here. Multiplication doesn't have order. So in this part mawubheka kule part leya phela le kuzoba yini, i-difference of two squares, which means sizoba nobani, no y1 squared minus y2 all squared, bese sizoba nobani, no 1 over 2 laphayana multiply by u-change in x, into esinayo ileya, which means this thing tells ukuthini, this it is your correct formula ukuthi ungayisebenzisa to calculate what, to calculate the area moment about the x-axis, which means izothini, the area moment about the x-axis, it is equals to 1 all over 2 into integral of y1 squared minus y2 squared dx. This changes to 1 dx, which sizoba nobani laphayana, sizoba no 1 all over 2 into u1 and u0. So we're still using lama coordinate lawa esiwayizwe for a area, which kuzoba ubani, our y1 kuzoba ubani, remember ukuthi y1 wethu boku y1, let me see ukuthi ngenzeni la. Okay, so y1 wethu, remember ukuthi is the top is what, is the square root of x, it is the square root of x, which means 1 the square root of x all squared, remember all squared, minus x to the power of 3 all squared dx. So masifika laphayana senza njani? We simplify. So sizoba no 1 over 2 into 1. And here remember this thing this will cancel the square roots, which we are left with ubani x minus 1 x to the power of 5 dx. So masisenje now we do what? We integrate, because there's nothing we can do here. So sizoba no x to the power of 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1, which we have ubani 1 all over 2 x to the power of 2 minus, okay, so in this part sizoba no x plus 1 5 plus 1, which kuzoba ubani x to the power of 6 all over 6, which is 1 all over 6 x to the power of 6 into 1 and 0. So mawuphanja lapha i-calculator yakho uzoba nobani no 1 over 2 minus 6. Remember mawufaka la u1 kuzoba u1, mawufaka lapha u1 kuzoba u1, mawufaka u0 lapha kuzoba u0, mawufaka u0 lapha kuzoba u0. So that is why I'm doing this thing. So sizoba no 1 over 2 into 6 minus 2 all over 12. So I'm doing the math like grade 6. So basically uzoba no 1 over 2 into 4 all over 12. So which is 1 all over 2 into 1 all over 3, which is 1 all over 6 units cubed, because it is a moment of area. So which means we are done here, because they asked for a moment of area nje kuphela. So we are jumping to 1 or 5.2 manje. Yo, where is this thing? We are jumping to 5.2. So our 5.2 bese bathini calculate the point of intersection. Still basafuna ini a point of intersection. Then bathini we are given one hyperbola. This mawubona i-multiplication of x and y kumele wazi ukuthi yini i-hyperbola. I-hyperbola, because you will end up having ubani y is equals to 5 all over x. Remember mawubona x on the denominator, which means that graph it's what? It is your hyperbola. So mawubona highest degree yakho ubani u1, which means it's what? It is a straight line. It is a straight line, simple as that. So which means let's say what to sketch the graph and show the representative strip that you will use to calculate the volume. So wafuna in lana manje volume laphayana. If the bounded area rotates about, remember button rotates about the x-axis, this thing tells you in irrespect yakho. This thing tells you that in irrespect, which means you will having ubani dx. We will be having dx. Basically, but use shell method. But use a shell method, which means we will be using in a horizontal strip. So sizobe 70 horizontal strip. So our graphs was x was okay, so 5.1.2.1 kuzoba ubani x multiplied by y is equals to 5. This is our first equation. Then siba no y plus x minus 6, I think, minus 6 there. Yes, it's minus 6 equals to 0. So minus 6, it is equals to 0. So which means here kule part le I prefer ukuthi senze ngobani ngo-equation 2. So msizothini from equation 2. From your equation 2, y it is equals to minus x plus 6. We simplify basically kuzoba ubani our equation 3 from equation 2, which means sizothini substitute equation 3 into equation 1. We don't substitute to ubani equation 2 because the equation is started from equation 2. So we cannot substitute because it will give us 0 mangabe you substitute equation 2. So in this part we are having x and negative x plus 6, it is equals to 5. So which means no negative x squared plus 6x, it is equals to 5. Then we divide both sides, or we multiply both sides. Then we're having x squared minus 6x, it is equals to negative 5. Then Then after that, then after that we do what? We transpose the parts layer negative 5 ngale, which is over no x squared minus 6x plus 5, because my change sign, which is over no. So in this parts layer bonakala very simple, which this thing it can be factorized. So over no x even no minus, so no minus because our left hand side has a minus sign, which we have 1 and 5. More multiply this would keep up with negative, more eta lezi zizokhiphela ubani u-negative 6. Bese-ke you know ukuthi uzoba ubani u-x it is equals to u-1 or u-x it is equals to u-5. So which means you have your values manje. So y it is equals to, remember ukuthi we had i-formula ena kanje u-x, y it is equals to u-5. So ile formula leso uyisebenzisa ukuthi senzeni sithole ama-y values wethu. So which means our y is equals to u-5 all over x. So in this part mangabe uzofaka u-1 laphayana uzoba nobani no-5, which means our value of y kuzoba ubani u-5. Then our value of y2 kuzoba ubani y is equals to u-5 all over u-5, which means it is 1, which means here we have the value of 1. Then master graph yethu, remember ukuthi we have ubani this formula layer okuyi-hyperbola, and still isesenjani i-positive, which means we're having the first quadrant and the third quadrant esizobe silona, which means le kuzoba i-third quadrant yethu, then lena kuba ubani i-first quadrant yethu. I-graph yethu izohamba nakanje. Then we know ukuthi our value, remember ukuthi besine-formula ena kanje, y is equals to negative x plus 6. Since the x wethu negative, which means our gradient is what? It is negative. Ningixolele guys when it comes to this thing. So bese bathini use i-shell method. So mabathi use shell method, which means we are using a horizontal strip. So that means we are using a horizontal strip. Yeah. Then here we have change in y. So in this part, if it happens anything, we're just preparing. So here we have x1 plus x2 all over 2. Remember here we have x2 and x1. Then here it is our length, and here it is our breadth, which is our change in y. So we know ukuthi bathini to calculate in volume. Remember ukuthi u-5.2.2 they will ask vele for in volume. Ama-question ana kanje vele, if they said ukuthi uzo-calculate in, which means next step uzobe wenzani, uzobe-calculate in that thing, which means to calculate ilona in change in x. Remember ngithini sizoba nobani no dx, which means our respect must be in u-dx, which means ngamanye amagama our volume is equals to 2 pi u-b and u-a into y1 minus y2 dx kanje. So here we are having ubani x, I think x ne, yeah, it's x, let me confirm, yeah, it's x. So which means here we will be having x into y1 minus y2 because a disk method it has a square la. So in this parts we're having 2 pi into remember ukuthi lana sinobani la, lana sino 5 ne, 5 paired with 1. Yes, formula, because our y value can be 1. Here sizoba nobani, sizoba no 1 paired with 5, and it makes sense because our y value it is upper than 1. So in this part again sizofocusa kubani, sizofocusa kuma-x values laphaya, sizofocusa kulama-x values, which means we will have ubani u-5 and u-1 x into y1 wethu the upper, or not the upper because we are using the shell, because because we are using the shell, which means we first get into one right to left, which means our right, it is our what you call this thing, it is our straight line. Yes, it is our straight line. Minus, because straight line sits basically minus x plus 6. Basically here we are having minus, then this is 5 all over x dx, like this. Then normal is 2 pi into 5, and we distribute, yeah, we distribute, which means here is 1 over no negative x squared plus 6x minus 5, because lower 5 lower x lower na lower x lower bazoyenzani, they will cancel out, which sizoba into inakanje sizoba no v. So in this part here, there's no need ukuthi ungayenzana nento eningi, just when I do in the integration. So we're having 2 pi into 5 and 1, it is equal to 1 negative 1 all over 3 x cubed. Guys, singiyenze kaningi lento le, I think manje so uzimasterile this thing, you will understand ukuthi lona ile nto leyo ukuthi x2 plus 1 all over u2 plus 1, into like esohlale siyenza honestly. Uma ubona nje u-x nje kanje, unless we're having a trick nayo sizolokhu senzana nento eyi-1, kuzoba u-1 u-x to the power of 3 all over 3, ile nto le suke yenzakala laphaya. But for the fact that we have a negative sign, the negative sign will affect the whole of the value laphaya, which lana sizoba nobani, sizoba no 3x to the power of 2 minus 5x. Gotcha. So sorry, this part was not supposed to be there, was not supposed, but we have to see in a square bracket here, so khona kuba no 5 and 1, because we are not supposed to include that part because of in this integrate. So we have 2 pi into negative 1 all over 3 cubed plus 3 x squared minus 5x into 5 and 1. So in this part, when Zani, you punch the calculator. You punch the calculator here. So which means, calculator. Okay. So which means, guys, must say lana, it doesn't matter which our comma trick values or in. Just must say graph, just turn your calculator to in radians, just to be safe. Turn your calculator into radians. It doesn't matter what we are asked with when mountain radians, so when turn your calculator radians. There's nothing will be affected. Just turn your calculator radians. But just in case if we're having trick ratios, sine, tan, and cot, yeah, like trick ratios, so that is going to maintain our pi, our pi. And stop claiming with pi, it is 1/8. Stop claiming that thing, so because you will make it a mistake. That is why I can say turn your calculator into radians. So in this part we are having 5 to the power of 3 minus, no, it's not minus, plus 3 into 5 squared minus 5 into 3 minus 1 over 3 1 over 3 plus 3 into 1 3 into 1 minus 5 into 1. So what? Why am I telling you a number? Oh. So I got 64 all over 3 pi, which kuzoba ubani? Kuzoba 67,021 units cubed, because it is what? It is a volume. So the volume that units of corner, it is a cube. So now now we've calculated the volume. Let's see ukuthi bafune yiphi equation futhi again. So in this part, oh, bafune i-shell method kuphela. Okay, so we jump to question 5.3. 5.3 bathi calculate the point of intersection. Ama-point of intersection angaka? I this paper, man. Okay, so let's calculate the point of intersections of y. It is equals to x. So we are seeing lapha ukuthi sine-1 sine-highest power u1, which means it is what? It is a straight line. So in the end, y it is equals to 2x into, so the highest power here it is u2, which means it is what? It is a quadratic. It is a quadratic. Don't mind me ngilona ukuthi i-concave arc just I identify ukuthi kunani, it is a parabola, which means bathi sketch the graph and show the representative strip that you will use to calculate the area bounded by these two graphs. So remember they didn't tell us ukuthi sisebenzise i-shell method or law, which means you do what? You will do the vertical strip. Don't go to a horizontal strip. There is a high chance ukuthi ube wrong lapho. There is a high chance sinibhale ngapha eceleni. There is a high chance ukuthi uthole wrong. So which means we had y it is equals to 1 over 2 x. This is 1 over 2x, and y it is equals to 2x. 2x it is 2x minus 1 over 6 minus 1 all over 6 x squared. So our graphs with our I2, then this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So basically find the point of intersection. If they say find the point of intersection, just the answer yona kuqala, then you the rest you draw mass. So which means in this part we have 1 over 2 x. We equate this equation because we have y here and y here, which means we'll equate it is equals to 2x minus 1 over 6 x squared. So we transpose this into ngale ngapha, which means is 1 over 6 x squared plus 1 over 2 x minus 2x, it is equals to 0. Then we are having 1 over 6 x squared plus no, it was supposed to be negative 3 over 2 because half minus 2 is over 1,5 and 1,5 is 3 over 2 x is equals to 0. Because we have a common factor here, which means sizoyenzani, factor out. So our factor out is over x into 1 over 6 x minus 3 over 2, it is equals to 0. Then our first value is over 0, or our x it is equals to 1 over 6x, it is equals to 3 over 2 kanji. Then our x it is equals to 9 because laphayana this small multiplier 1 over 6, no okay, 1 over 6 into 3 over 2 when the cross multiply is 1 over no 2, it is equals to 18. Then more divide both sides ngo2 uzothola ubani u9 ngapha, which means our value of ubani x is over u9. So in this part layer, in that part is one value of u9 lapha. Then for a value of u0, then remember which we had ubani y it is equals to 1 over 2x. Go for equations lawa is for ease, just to save time. Student, don't do both just to save time. If you do both just ukuthi wena so ukwenzani, so make sure ukuthi vele iyafana ilona, then which means kuzoba ubani x into 0 here sizoba no 0, which means our y it is equals to 0. So singayiraba le part leya. Then y it is equals to, remember ukuthi lapha we have 9, which means it is 9 all over 2. It is 9 all over 2, which is 2,5 approximately. Yeah, it's 2,5. Bese we have a point of intersection with I2. Remember we have in a parabola and a straight line, which sizoba nentena kanje. Our parabola was y it is equals to what konje 2x minus 1 over 6x squared, which here remember ukuthi kumele sifune nani ne-turning point. Ne-turning point sizofuna i-x value of i-turning point kuzoba negative into u2. This is our b. Then kuzoba ubani u2 into negative 1/6. So in this part le izokhansela leyana, then kusala nale minus yokhansela loya minus, nisala ngu1 all over 6. Then this is going to be 6 loya. Then our x value for a turning point kuzoba ubani u6. Then y it is equals to 1 all over 2x kuzoba ubani this kuzoba no 1 over 2 into 6 kuzoba ubani u3, which means our turning point coordinate lakhona kuzoba ubani, this is our x value kuzoba u6 paired with u3. And remember ukuthi we also had y it is equals to 0 and x it is equals to 0, which means our graph izophuma khona laphayana ku-margin, then ibuye seyibuya kanje. And remember ukuthi why ngikho draw i-concave down, because our 1 all over 6 x squared it is negative. So mangabe negative, which means ngizodraw in the concave down. The turning point it is what, 6 paired with 3. Then our kula zithashana khona futhi wesiphathi kula zithashana khona, this is 1 all over x, then the part lena kuzoba y it is equals to 2x minus 1 over 6 all squared. So leya part leya kuleya ka paired with 9 over 2 mangikhumbula kahle. So let me check kulona. U-x it is equals to 9. Equals to 9. Oh yeah, it makes sense because it is u9 here, which means here it is u9. So here kuzoba ubani u9 over 2, which masenza kanje then sibalekela kuphi ku-vertical strip. Balekela khona, there is a high chance ukuthi mawungayenza i-horizontal strip ube wrong. So balekela kuphi ku-vertical strip if they didn't tell you ukuthi kumele wenze ngani. So in this part they asked for i-area, which means first question laphayana sizofuna i-area. Let's check mara, let's confirm ukuthi bazofuna ini i-area yona leyo. So 5.3, they say calculate the area described in 5.3.1. As I told you, bazofuna ini i-area. So which means 5.3.2, our area it is equals to y1 minus y2 dx. So since we go dx kanje kuzoba ubani our value kuzoba u0 laphayana, because we are using dx, which means we will use this thing kuzoba u9 and u0. So our upper ile yakabani yaka 2x minus 1 over 6 x squared minus 1 over 2 x dx kanje. So masiqhubeka, so mawuno 2 minus 1 over 2, so in this part you will have ubani u3 over 2 kanje. Let me check something. Khona la ngenza khona lento. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. Sengitholile. Here. Okay, yeah. Because bengithi ile part le ngiyenze wrong, but yeah, I see manje ukuthi right. So which means here we have 3 over 2 x minus 1 over 6 x squared. Then sesihlanganisile yonke into right. So in this part here we do what? We do integration, which means we'll having u1 multiplied by u1 over 2 x squared minus 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 over 3 x cubed into u9 and u0. Sorry. So masiqhubeka siba nobani laphayana no 3. This is 2, which means siba no 3 over 4 x squared minus 1 all over 18 x cubed 9 and u0. Then our value here is 3 over 4 into 9 squared minus 1 all over 18 9 cubed. So it's 81 all over 4, approximately as 20.25 units squared. So because they asked for ilona i-distance a centroid, manje remember ukuthi beyibuya in equation area, which means they can ask in a moment of, they can either ask in moment of inertia, or they can ask in a second moment. So let's check ukuthi bazobuza ini. So which question did they ask? So let's say calculate by means of integration the second moment, the second moment of the area, which layer yabani ix or iy. So what's in about the y-axis, which means we are no longer using ix, which means we are using iy. So in this part here, remember what we had okay, let's go there. Let's go there before I explain everything. Asingwele la graph. So in this part, remember what we're having in the horizontal strip. We have y1, we have y2. So in this part, when we are writing our coordinates with, we are having x paired with, remember to find the midpoint of these things, no y1 plus y2 all over 2. But because we are dealing with the second moment, which means is no root 3. If you know as an electrical student, they know what root 3 it is a phase. So we are calling this thing a phase, root 3. So in this part we are having our length and our breadth here, which is our change in x. Let me simplify lapaya. So in this part we are having this, and but in terms of y, which so your change in y, it is equals to area multiplied by what? A distance, the square distance about in the y-axis. The y-axis, which means you take your finger and close this part here, and close with we are left with one or x, which means our formula there, it will be like oi x, it is equals to the area multiplied by the square distance about the y-axis, which we have y1 minus y2 change in the part layer area part layer. So which means we are having one multiplied by x squared, because is, remember we have x paired. So in this part, our correct formula to find our second moment of area, which is the integral of x squared into y1 minus y2 dx. This thing changes to 1 dx. So in this part we had 9 ama limits wethu and 0, x squared into, we just copy this thing because the area is essential. We just copy this thing. So kuzoba ubani laphayana 3 over 2x minus 1 over 6 x squared dx. So which is 9 and 0. Then we distribute so 1 no 3 over 2 x to the power of 3 minus 1 all over 6 into x to the power of 4 dx. dx. So masuqhubeka here integrator here uzoba nobani no 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 4 x to the power of 4 minus 1 all over 6 multiplied by 1 over 5 x to the power of 5 into 9 and 0. Then masiqhubeka we simplify in a simplest form. So no 3 over 8 x to the power of 4 minus u1 all over u30 x to the power of 4 u9 and u0, which more punch calculator yakho laphayana uzoba nobani, uzoba no3 over 8 into 9 to the power of 4 minus u1 all over 30 into 9 to the power of 5, which is approximately 492,075 units to the power of 4. Unit to the power of 4. Yeah, I guess I think you're right, unless mina ngiphanje calculator wrong. Yeah, unless mina ngiphanje calculator wrong. So we have to check ukuthi ngiphanje kahle calculator ngokuba ne mistake when it comes to calculate. I'm not good ngokupress calculate. So we are done with that part layer. So asibone ukuthi bafune ini manje. The next question was what? So about swings amaningi. So in this part, oh, we are done. Okay, so in this part, they asked you, sorry. So in this part, they said a trapezium. Trapezium is simple. Trapezium, you know, ukuthi into enakanje. Then you'll have your coordinates here, and your coordinates here, and your coordinates here, even and here, and your water level. So this, it will be your water level. Into enakanje. Then you draw what? Mabathi vile trapezium draw into enakanje. Draw nje kanje. Don't stress yourself. Draw kanje. Just nice like mine. Yeah, but when I will draw freehand and it's changing y. So in this part, we will be having OR, it is equals to something. So basically a trapezium way is 2 meters high. So high in it's from here to here. In from a trapezium ilona yakusithi uzobani u2 laphaya, which means our y coordinates uzobani u2 for both in ama coordinates lawa laphaya, because y coordinates yakhona ihamba ngubani ku2. So bese bathi 4 meters, bese bathini 4 meters wide. So bathini 4 meters wide, which means ukuvuleka kwayo leya part leya 4 meters wide. So when into ezoyenza ukuthini ukuthi 4 divided by plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. Why? Because you know this thing bisects ilona y axis bisects the shape. Wonke ama-shape ozobunawo i-y axis iya-bisecta laphaya. So ngifaka plus or minus because to just make simple ukuthi laphaya ngizoba no minus on this side, and this side ngizoba no positive. So in this part ngizoba no negative 2 here bese ngibe nobani no positive 2. So bese bathi at the top is 2 wide. Okay, wide at the top and 2 meters wide at the bottom. Remember ukuthi bathini 2 meters wide at the bottom, which means you will have ubani plus or minus 2, which is over no 1 laphayana, which we have minus 1 here. Here we have ubani u1. So in this part they are in the x axis, which means we are having ubani ama y values ubani u0. Then we are done. Remember ukuthi the value of it is equals to water level minus y. Then but make a neat sketch of the way and show the representative strip that you will use that you will use to calculate the moment of area way about the water level. Also calculate the relationship between x and y, which means they are looking for in the equation x and y. So I will try and ukuthi ngiyenze laphaya. So in this part we have ubani drawing yethu futhi encane lapha, since drawing futhi encane. So laphaya sino negative 2 paired with u2, sino 2 paired with u2, sino water level 4 here u2 bese because here I think ishiyana nga2 to i-water level. So our R in this case kuzoba ubani? Kuzoba i-water level minus uy. So our water level is equals to u4 minus uy. Then this is our value of the water level. So manje sofuna i-value of the straight line. So here we have u1 paired with 0 and the negative 1 paired with 0. So you know our gradient is equals to y2 into y1 all over x2 minus x1. So here sizoba no ne-coordinated 1. So here bese siba nobani ne-coordinated 2. So in this case we are having ubani? We are having the coordinate of 2 is equals to u2 minus u0. Then the 0, the y value of coordinate of 1 is 2 is u0. Then the coordinates of x2 it is u2 minus u1. Then which means this 0 minus 1 and this, which means it is u2. It is u2. Then our y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. It is equals to we use point bani u1 paired with u0. Ile point lesisebenzisayo leliya it's 1 paired with u0. Then we have ubani u0 it is equals to u2 ile somthathe laphayana, then x minus u1 lapha, which means our equation in terms of y kuzoba ubani u2x minus u2. This is our equation in terms of y. So masisifuna in terms of x, which means we will transpose this part ngapha sizoba no plus 2 it is equals to u2x. Then our x it is equals to y plus u2 all over 2 like this, which means this is our equation in terms of this is our equation in terms of x. This is our equation in terms of x. Then siyachubeka again. So the next thing I think le question ayakaphelile angazi la phepha ngithathe phi yazi ngaphelela mara the thing abazoyifuna yini i-first and the second moment. Then they are asking for the combination yakhona le yaka squared here and r uDA. So the value of uDA remember it is u2x. It is u2x because we are including in our part way too much. So which means we have ubani sizofaka leya part leya plus u2 all over 2, which leya part lezo cancel leya nasala ngobani ngo1 plus u2. This is the value of ubani uDA leya. So masenza i-first moment masenza i-first moment our first moment is RDA. Our value of R ubani u4 minus uy. Then the value of uDA ubani uy plus u2, which is ubani no 4y minus u8 minus uy squared minus u2y. This is nani the integral laphaya. The integral layer, remember ukuthi i-integral the highest power elaphaya kuzoba u2 because we are taking the high value as in the high lapha ku-statement kuzoba yini, it's our limit, which kuzoba the value of I and u0 bese which kuzoba ubani laphana sizoba no2 here, sizoba no2 like u0 kanje. Then masisenjena senzani we integrate. Avoid when it comes to this part, avoid ukuthi lokhu uhlanganisana nezinto eziningi laphaya ungayi-understand. So integrate uzoba no2y into u2 minus u8x minus u1 all over 3 y cubed minus kuzoba y squared here. So here sizoba no2 and u0. So masisikunjena khona seyichayile, you just do what you substitute. There's no need ukuthi uhlanganisana nama like terms la isikhathi siyahamba mawuhlanganisa ama-10 ngabe sewubhala yonke lento or punch calculate. So which is 102 into 2 minus 8 into 2 minus 1/3. This was supposed to be this and this. This and this. This was supposed to be positive because it's over layer, and this is supposed to be positive. Yes. So we have a plus here. 1/3. 1/3. That part, okay, and that part, okay. So which we have 2 into 3 minus 2 squared. So our value, it is 53/3. Guys, bear with me when it comes to calculator. I don't know which one ngithola ama-answer njani. So mina nginenkinga calculator. So in this part mina ngithola 53/3 units cubed because of the first moment. So the second moment of us sizothola bani? Let's see what's the second moment sithola bani. Then is r squared dA. So we are having something like 4 minus y squared into y into y plus 2 because it's our dA. So in this case we still have the integral up here now 2 and 0. So in this case we are having 16 minus 8y plus y squared. Just we are doing this part of distributive law. Remember, when you have squared uzoba nento kanje 4 minus y. Ile nto le kumele uyenze, le nto le ngizobe ngiyenza lapha just ukuthi mina you know ukuthi I'm more advanced. Ngiyadlala shame guys, akekho umuntu advanced ku maths. Ngisho no-Einstein naye ngiyadlala but sizoba no plus 2. It is equals to this and this is 16y minus 8y squared plus y cubed plus 32 minus 16y and plus 2y squared. So in this part in a corner we are still not integrated. It's no 2 and 0 here. So mass integrator in this part sizoba no 8y squared minus 8 all over 3y cubed plus 1 all over 4 y to the power 4 plus 32 y minus 16 y plus ngiyenzani manje 32 y and 8 y squared plus 2 over 3 y cubed into 2 and 0. So uma upunch lapha this part leya sengibonile ukuthi lena leya zakhanselana. So uzoqala ukupuncha from here and here and from here and here. So which means it's negative 8 all over 3 into 2 cubed plus 1 over 4 into 2 to the power 4 plus 32 into 2 plus 2 over 3 into 2 to the power of 3. Yeah, still guys, bear with me with this thing of a calculator. So here we are having 52 units to the power 4 because it is the second to the power 4. Then this thing ngitshela ngayo ukuthi the combination ile parts leya r squared dA b and a all over r into dA dy. It is equals to kuzoba 52 all over, kanti ngenzeni manje, 52 all over our first moment it was 53/3. 53 all over 3 which is 52 multiplied by 3 over 53, which multiplied by 3 over 53, it's 156 all over 53. I guess kuzoba 2 all over 943. It is 2 all over 943, like this. So I think iphelile kanje. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends abathanda ukufunda njengawe.